Hi, and welcome to the Rares Report for August 22nd, 2013, where we have several rares breaking out of bottom formations. And for those of you who are interested in merch reports on more common skilling items, be sure to check out our sister channel, Lumbridge City, where I'm going to post a follow-up to the big July 2013 monster merch report and show you where I pulled out 200 and 300% profit on many trades. These free reports on YouTube are entirely supported by your likes and your comments. I appreciate any of your feedback, good or bad. I'd like to hear from you. Let me know what you're thinking down below this video. In today's markets, I've seen a few of the rares look like they're making a reversal pattern at the bottom of a downtrend. And so now I'm reviewing all of the rares to see if they are also making this pattern and to see if today is the day I should be re-establishing my positions in the rares market. We can see that we have a potential 1, 2, 3 bottom again here in the Easter egg and a potential sideways or triangle formation, but we are in a little sideways channel here. So there's still no indication from this market if this is the time to take a position here. Pumpkin is also looking pretty flat all the way along until we go into the longer term chart here where we can see it is a potential 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. This is the 1, this is the 2, and this is the 3. It is shaping up. It really could be yet. It still hasn't broken down below that to show that it's continuing the downtrend. And the weekly disc and the monthly disc is also giving this kind of triangle formation, 1, 2, 3 bottom. Could be at the bottom of a downtrend. So it's another potential market, but still not showing any indication that's strong enough for me to make a trading decision on. And wine still makes me think prices are going lower because this is a continuation of a downtrend without a good strong reversal pattern at the end of that trend. So this isn't the market that is making me watch for the bottom. But when we go on to the party hats, we've been seeing a continuation of the downtrend. Things broke down below here and I predicted that prices were going to continue down from there. That was an important break in my chart reading patterns. The prices stopped here and rebounded, and now they're making a flag right here in the purple weeklies. And I don't know which way that flag is pointing. Remember, we saw a rise like that over a couple day period in the Santas, and I was predicting that would be a flag for a down tick, but Santas went up, I bought, and eventually sold out. And now here we are in the yellow party hat weekly, daily chart and monthly chart. And this is a downward trend, and we're looking at this being the potential reversal pattern. If I slide my little recording area over, this is the chart that I was looking at the beginning of the video, when I believe this is a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. This is the breakout and the buy signal that I believe is showing up right here. Remember, this is just a wee tick above, and I'm looking for a big change in the trend of the market so that I can put my positions on. I don't want to trade just individual fluctuations of one stock or one item. I want to wait for the entire market to show me that it's changing directions. And when these do change direction, we're going to see a swarm of bottom formations at the end of this downtrend, all of them breaking out at the same time. And it'll be pretty safe to purchase in because it'll show that the market has changed direction definitively and is probably going to keep going that way. We're always going to use rule number 1, but we want to be ready now to use rule number 2 when this could be the zoom in of the actual breakout that could be happening. And we don't know which way it's going to go. Nobody can predict the future. And we can only make money by buying low and selling high on Runescape. So that does bias the way we must trade in this market. We have to be looking to always be ready to buy and then sell if it's going down. So I'm always looking for this, the reversal pattern at the bottom of a long downtrend. And that's why the rares are interesting to me, because they are coming up to making these kind of patterns. But these patterns show up in all markets everywhere all the time. We saw them in the gold prices back in 2010 and silver prices in 2010, and you can look at the charts on those and see where they've gone since then. And we can see that in things like back in the game again, if we're looking at the lobsters and the raw lobsters and the swordfish and raw swordfish, there's a lot of opportunity to make some enormous profits and practice this trading system inside the game of RuneScape. Bang, 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 all these times at this very same low level, and then making a triangle formation and a wee breakout. That is an important formation to be monitoring, as well as all of these rares are coming down to make these formations. Now, back on track here with the Santa hat. This is where I purchased in and then I sold out, and now it's making what I would consider to be a larger formation, and now I don't want to be trading in the middle of this right now. It's not making a nice formation for me to trade. It's got too much of a range, and I'll be watching the Santa hat more, and I'm glad that I got out of my position so that I could watch it without being worried about it. And thanks again for watching the Rares report for today. Be sure to check out the July 2013 Monster Merch Report and the follow-up video that I'm just about to release that's going to show you how you can make these kind of killer profits in all different items on the Grand Exchange. These free reports on YouTube are entirely supported by your likes and your comments. I appreciate any of your feedback, good or bad. I'd like to hear from you. Let me know what you're thinking down below this video. Thanks again, this is Linkbuilder signing off.